Sister. Oh, my sister. I had a problem, a small problem. I'm going to Kashu. I don't have transport. I just ran out of cash.
So how much is it?
500. No.
What's 500?
Nice. Oh God, oh big boy. Market don't good with this one. Let's say we don't find that person head. No time. Small bros, you come over here. Son of bros. Big boss, good in you. Bro, no, big boss, no vessel.
Yeah.
I like your style.
Yeah, thank you.
I did good. I beg bros, no vest.
No vex, now just here, now cash in here. I don't need 500 only. Maybe you don't carry it.
About 500. Go can show.
Yeah, go to go out, go come back. No vex. I just come here, I can't run out of cash.
Run out of cash.
Yeah, no vex.
Yeah? Because of God, now they give you this money. Because people like you now. Hey.
Man, thank you very much.
Alright now.
Thank you.
They go house.
I will go.
Oh yeah, no, I deal
Thank
with
you,
you.
sir.
I deal with you.
Thank you, big bro.
Take care.
Man, this big bro said, don't too low. Senior man, come. Senior man, good evening.
Good thing. How are you doing?
I'm fine, sir. I'm fine, sir. Please,
Any problem?
Yes, I have a small problem. Small challenge.
Challenge?
I don't know if you can help me. I came to see somebody here and I ran out of cash. My phone too is dead. Can't reach the person. I need to go back to Kanshu. I don't know if you can help me with small transport.
Run out of cash. Let me check. You have money here? Or you want to make a transfer?
Okay, let me give you my account number now.
Okay, from POS.
Yes.
I just remember now, say make I get
Then transfer.
Just wait.
You don't want to go. Where is that place you want to go? You don't have transport.
Kanshu,
You don't have transport?
Yes, I don't.
Wow. You don't have transport, go to Kanshu. That's serious?
Uncle, wait. Don't say anything. How far?
What's the problem?
Wait.
Did I know you?
Wait, you don't need to know me. How far?
I do, sir.
You said you did. Wait, sir. You said you are going to.
Actually, I did go Kanshu now.
Okay, you dey go can show. How much did I give you? How much I give you?
Give me money.
Give me back. Hey, come on. Catch him, he's 18.
Man, thank you, brother. Thank you for helping me.
The guy no fit.
Thank you.
But na so that they
Appreciate.
this see na corporate beggars they will act as if they want to die, but at the end of the day they will just be collecting money from people like that.
God.
Next time don't ever try that thing. You want to give anybody your account number or what. Ask them question properly.
They make you don't know who is real.
You don't
even know who is real. Who is real in need of the money.
I swear I didn't even cash that. I swear for collect the 500 that I want give.
Man,
I
appreciate
swear for
it.
collect the 500.
Thanks, man.
Alright, now take
What's
care.
the name, please?
Oliver.
Oh, yeah, I'm Jack.
Okay,
Jack Haga. Thank
take
you.
care.
Yeah, safe. God bless you.
This guy.